Hi, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn about practice set 3.4 part 2. Okay, in the previous video we have done a practice set 3.4 but part 1. That means still question number 4 we have done. So today we are going to start with the question number 5. So let's get start. See, in question number 5, what they have given, prove that any rectangle is a cyclic quadrilateral. See, I told you earlier only what is the meaning of cyclic quadrilateral, right? If a quadrilateral is touching this circle, that means it is quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral. But the property is that if opposite angle of this cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary, that means if it is 180 degree, so we can say that it is cyclic quadrilateral. So we'll have to prove that only. We have to take they have given a quadrilateral which is rectangle, and we have to prove that rectangle is quadrilateral. Okay, cyclic quadrilateral. As we know that rectangle is having 90 degree angle measurement, each angle, right? Each angle is 90 degree measurement. So with that we can just prove that. It is very easy. So let's get start with this. So how you can just draw, suppose this is a rectangle. Okay, I'm just drawing the rectangle over here. Suppose this is a rectangle. Sorry. See, this angle, just take A, B, C, and then this is D. Okay, this angle, this angle, this and these angles are each having 90 degree. Okay, so what they have given in this, so you can just write in the given, what you can write, your quadrilateral, right? Quadrilateral A, B, C, D is a rectangle. This is given, is a rectangle. This is only given, right? So what we have to prove, we have to prove. So in the next line you'll have to write to prove. Okay, what the thing you'll have to prove, that means angle, this opposite angle, this A and this C, right? So you can just write over there, angle A plus angle C, it should be supplementary, means the measurement should be 180. Similarly this angle B and D, right? And angle B plus angle D is equals to 180. This thing we have to prove, right? So let's get start with the proof. Okay, now we'll do the proof. So in the proof, what you can just write, sorry, since your quadrilateral ABC, right? ABC is a rectangle, as we know that this is a rectangle, right? And if it is rectangle, so the angle, right? Therefore angle A is equals to angle B, which is also equals to angle C, angle D. They all are equal because they all having measurement 90 degree. So okay, from this we can just write over there. Now if you take this angle A plus angle C, what is the value of this angle? Is 90, and this C is also 90. So 90 you will get 180. That means you are getting 180, right? Similarly you can say that your angle B and D is also 180. So therefore by the converse of that cyclic quadrilateral theorem, right? That theorem, by converse theorem, you can just write over there, by using converse of cyclic quadrilateral, okay, we can say that quadrilateral A, B, C, D is a cyclic. Okay, I think this is clear. So we have completed our question number 5. So let's just move ahead. So now in question number 6, see the question number 6, what they have given. The question number 6, they have given a figure that is 3.59, the adjoint figure. So can you see the figure what they have given? This is the figure. Okay, so in they have given the altitude yz. Can you see, this is altitude. altitude का मतलब क्या होता है, वो 90 डिग्री रहेगा, right? So this is 90 degree. Similarly xt, this is xt, so this is also altitude, so this is also 90 degree, right? This is the thing they have given. So now what we have to do, we are again what they have given, that triangle, not quadrilateral, triangle WXY. Can you see this? WX and Y, right? This triangle this triangle, that means you can say this triangle only. They all intersect at point P. Can you see? Can you see that triangle? That means WXY, they are intersecting at point P. If we see that, what we have to prove, it is making a quadrilateral, right? WZPT. Can you see this? WZ and PT. So they are cyclic. That we have to prove. Same thing for the cyclic. What we need to prove? We need to prove opposite angle should be 180. So can you see over here this angle? Right, this Z is having altitude, that means this is 90, and this T is also altitude, so this is 90, so 90 will get 80, so this is opposite, so we can say that this is cyclic, right? Okay, so this we can just prove it. Okay, let's get start. So what you have to write over there, just write since YZ, right, YZ and your XY, XT, not Y, XT are altitudes. What they are? Altitudes. You can just write over there, are altitudes. Therefore, angle WZ, right, WZP is equals to 90, and another angle will be your WTP will be 90. So this is given, right? How this is given? Because they have given this is altitude with this YZ and this XT is altitude. So we can say that this is 90 degree. I think this is clear. So now in quadrilateral, okay, now you can just write over there in quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, that is WZPT, right? This is quadrilateral. So you can take this and this angle. So you can just write over there angle WZP, right? This angle, right? Plus and this angle WTP plus WTP. अभी हम लोगों ने इसका एंगल फाइंड आउट किया. दिस इज 90 डिग्री and this is 90 degree. So this 90 will become 180. Hence proved. So therefore you can just write, therefore quadrilateral WZPT is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, and the reason is by converse, right? By converse you'll have to write over there, converse of cyclic quadrilateral. I think this is clear. Okay, now in the second part what they have given, now we have to show that this X, Z, T, Y, can you see X, Z, T, Y, they are concyclic. I told you before that what is the meaning of concyclic. अगर वो एक सर्कल में अगर पॉइंट्स बनते हैं तो कैन यू सी, अगर इसको सर्कल बनाएंगे तो वो एक सर्कल में ही आता है, ऐसे हम लोग देखेंगे तो उसको concyclic हम लोग को प्रूव करना है. सो फॉर दिस देयर इज अ थियरम. For this proving this, now there is a theorem they have given. The theorem is like, I'll just tell you the theorem. What is the theorem? Can you observe here the 2 points? Suppose the theorem is like that. If 2 points on a given line, there is a given line, you can say that if 2 points they are making equal angles, substance, the theorem is containing the word substance, and that substance, the meaning of substance is making, you can say that if 2 points on a given line subtend equal angles at 2 distinct points. I'll show you the figure how. So suppose this is a line. Just take A and B. Suppose this is a line. Okay, I'm just these two, if 2 points on a given line, this A and B, these are the 2 points. You can say that this is a point and this is also a point. Okay, if these 2 points, suppose this is making an angle like this only. Okay, this. Okay, suppose this is just take it D, and then similarly another angle like this only. So can you see this and this angle at 2 distinct points? This is, suppose this is B, this is C. Okay, this, make it D. Okay, clear. So the theorem is like that. If 2 points on a given line, so this is a given line and the 2 points are A and this D. Okay, they are making equal angle. Can you see this angle and this angle are equal? They are making 2 angles. They are making 2 equal angle, you can say, at 2 distinct point. Can you see this distinct point? Distinct means a different point. This B and C, these both points are distinct to each other. But the reason is that these 2 points or these angles are lying on the same side. देखो एक ही साइड में, एक साइड ये होता है, एक साइड ये है, एक साइड एक ये साइड है, पर ये दोनों जो एंगल है दे आर लाइंग ऑन द सेम साइड, ऊपर की तरफ एक ही लाइन में आ रहा है. सो जब ऐसा हमें सिचुएशन कहीं मिलता है, सो वी कैन से दैट आर पॉइंट्स, नाउ हियर द पॉइंट्स आर ए बी सी डी, so these points are concyclic. This is the theorem. That theorem only we have to apply in this also. Can you see over here? Here also we have a line that is xy. Can you see the segment xy? See the diagram. This is xy, right? And they are making congruent angle with this. Can you see this z and this t? Congruent angle, because this z is 90 and this t is also 90. So they are congruent. So we can say that by using that theorem only. They are making, and उनका साइड भी देखो सेम साइड में, ऊपर की तरफ है दोनों एंगल. So by using that theorem we can say that our point x, z, t, y are concyclic. Okay, so let's get start. How you can just write it down. So you'll have to write over there angle x, z, y. Write this z. So x, z and this y, this angle, right? This is 90. Similarly, you have your angle एक्स टी वाई, राइट, एक्स टी वाई ऐसे अगर लेंगे तो ये एंगल दे बोथ आर 90. सो द रीज़न इज गिवन, क्योंकि ये गिवन है एल्टीट्यूड से ना, तो ये गिवन हो गया, राइट. नाउ देयरफॉर अब दोनों 90 हो गए, गिवन है, सो वी कैन से दैट एक्स जेड वाई इज इक्वल्स टू एक्स टी वाई, बोथ आर इक्वल, ये दोनों इक्वल हो गए. सो बाय यूजिंग, सो इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट यू हैव टू राइट द थियरम अगेन. देयरफॉर segment xy, right, here the segment or line this here is xy. So xy substance, substance का मतलब मेकिंग बनाता है, ओके. substance congruent angle, what are the congruent angle, अभी हम लोगों ने ऊपर लिखा congruent angle, substance congruent angles at point, कौन कौन से पॉइंट में, z में और t में, राइट, पॉइंट z and t, right. So which lie on the same side of the line xy line में, okay. This theorem you'll have to apply, and at the end you can just write therefore the point x, z, t, y are concyclic points. I think this question is clear. Okay, now we'll move ahead. Now we'll solve question number 7. See, in the question number 7 and question number 8, there is also another theorem is we have to use over here. That theorem I'm just I'll tell you with this question only. See, what is the question for C? In the figure, what they have given, figure 3.60, arc NS. Can you see this is the arc? Okay, this NS. This is the arc, right? They have given 125. This arc, measure arc is 125. And they have given this arc also 37, right? So we have to find the measurement of this angle. Can you see this N, M और S? ये जो M है वो बाहर की तरफ जा रहा है, तो ये एंगल हम लोग को फाइंड आउट करना है. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. नाउ सी, whenever, see, can you see over here this NM, this not NM, this NE, this NE and this SF, you can say that these two are chord, राइट, ये दोनों कॉर्ड है, बट दिस टू कॉर्ड आर इंटरसेक्टिंग एट पॉइंट एम, एम में इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे दोनों, बट दिस एम पॉइंट इज आउटसाइड दिस सर्कल, सर्कल के बाहर है, राइट. सी, इफ टू कॉर्ड्स ऑफ अ सर्कल दे आर इंटरसेक्टिंग ईच अदर बट आउटसाइड दिस सर्कल, लेकिन सर्कल के बाहर, तो हम लोग कह सकते हैं जो भी उसका एंगल जो फॉर्म होता है ना, वो क्या होता है, हाफ ऑफ दी जो मेजरमेंट दिया रहता है, जो आर्क दिया रहता है उसका डिफरेंसेस रहता है, ओके. सो दिस इज़ अ थियरम. सिमिलरली सपोज अगर ये इंटरनली अगर वो इंटरसेक्ट करेगा, तो हम लोग वहाँ पे क्या लिखते हैं, उसका जो आर्क होता है वो सम होता है उसका यहाँ पे, बट एक्सटर्नली है, बाहर है, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे डिफरेंस यूज़ करते हैं. दिस इज़ द थियरम ओनली, ओके. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट. सो नाउ व्हाट दे हैव गिवन, सी, all the things whatever they have given that you have to specify. So just write over there chord NE, right, NE and chord SF or FS, whatever, intersect, right, intersect each other at point M पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है. सो दिस इज द गिवन थिंग ओनली. सो बट जो कॉर्ड्स एंड दे आर इंटरसेक्टिंग outside. You can just write over there now. See, ये तो हमारा given था. So therefore the chords of a circle intersects, right? They are intersecting. You can say that intersect each other outside this circle, right? Outside the circle. Okay. So अभी outside करता है तो हमारा theorem क्या है? What is the theorem? Therefore angle, whatever the angle is making now, angle है हमारा क्या है? हमारा NMS. So that only we have to take NMS. It should be equals to half of the major arc, difference between the major arc. So major arc क्या क्या है वहाँ पे? arc देखो. So this is the arc NS. So we'll have to write NS. This is the major arc and the another one is major arc. So difference means minus, right? So major arc EF. Can you see this EF? तो EF इतना लिखा हम लोगों ने EF. Okay. Just wait. Okay. Now substitute the value, you will get the answer. See, we have 1/2. We have the value of this major arc NS. NS they have given 125 degree, right? Then minus and major arc EF also they have given 37. Okay. So just solve this, you will get the answer. What is the answer? 1/2. When you minus 125 minus 37, you will get 88. Now just divide it, you will get 44. So we have angle NMS will be our 44 degree. I think this is clear. Okay. So now in the next question number 8. See again the same thing I told you. In figure 3.61, chord AC. Can you see this chord AC? This AC and this DE. They are intersecting at point B, but they are intersecting it internally inside the circle. So we'll have to apply the same theorem, but instead of difference, we have to use sum of the arc. Okay. So now what they have given? Arc AE. Can you see this arc? This is the arc is they have given 95 degree. They have given, and even they have given angle ABD, whatever the angle is there, ABD, angle ABD, see ABD. Okay, this angle will have to, they have given ABE, they have given, actually they have given just ABE, this angle they have given, and we have to find CD. Okay, so let's get start by using that theorem only. Same thing only you have to write over there, chord AC, right? AC and DE intersect. What you have to write? Intersect at point B. At point B. So, but the chords are, you can say that, therefore chords of a circle, जो circle के chords है, they are intersecting each other but inside the circle. So that you have to write over here. Chords of a circle intersect, just write over there, intersect each other inside. Where? Inside, internally, circle के अंदर, right? Inside the circle है, इसलिए हम लोग क्या यूज़ करेंगे? सेम, द मेजरमेंट एंगल विल बी ABE is equals to half, then measurement. Okay, just wait. So I'm just writing again that part. Therefore angle ABE, right? This is the angle, this angle, right? This angle, okay, is equals to half of the major arc, that is AE, right? AE बन रहा है वहाँ पे आर्क हमारा. इट शुड बी, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? प्लस होगा. इसके पहले वाले समय हम लोगों ने माइनस किया था, क्योंकि वो कैसा था? एक्सटर्नली था. वो जो पॉइंट था हमारा सर्कल के बाहर था. अभी यहाँ पे जो पॉइंट है सर्कल के अंदर है, इसलिए हम लोग प्लस का सिंबल यूज़ कर रहे हैं. दिस इज द थियरम ओनली. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट आर्क विल बी मेजर आर्क. your DC that we have to calculate, right? So now substitute. We have the value of this angle ABC, that is 108 they have given. 108 they have given. So 1 upon 2, and measure arc AE also they have given. This is 95. So you'll have to write 95. And this thing you'll have to write as it is because we have to find that only. So measure arc DC. Okay. So now take this 2 over here. It will become 216. Okay, because this 2 is in the division form. When you take this at here, it will become multiplication. So now here 95 plus this thing will be as it is. Okay, over here. So now see this is number. So take this number over here, it will become minus. So subtract. Okay, so when you subtracting, you will get your measure arc. Measure arc is DC. So DC will be your 216 minus 95, and when you subtracting this, you will get 121 only. Okay, so this is our answer. So with this we have completed our question number 8. Even we have completed our part 2, that is practice set, part 2 of practice set 3.4. I think now you are able to understand this exercise, so solve it. If you have any doubt, please comment it out. And if you like my channel or my videos, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much.